Question number 1B, it says, a study on the number of years of education among workers in an organization revealed the following. We have number of workers, years of education and number of workers. 0 to 2 we had 3, 2 to 4 we had 4, 4 to 6 we had 4, 6 to 8 we had 6, 8 to 10 we had 2, and then 10 to 12 we had 1. So you are required to determine the standard deviation and the variance, standard deviation, variance, and coefficient of variation. So to find the standard deviation, you say standard deviation is equal to summation of f in bracket x minus mu square over summation of f minus 1. So you find the what? The square root of this one. Then now here you will say the mean is equal to summation of fx over summation of f. So you will get your x here. You will add some, we will extend this table to add some columns and rows like that. So here we are going to have x, we are going to have fx, we are going to have x minus mean, and then x minus mean square, and then f in bracket x minus mean square. So we'll come and we'll get our x, the midpoint, which is 0 plus 2 divided by 2. You get your answer as 1. 2 plus 4, 6 divided by 2, the answer is 3. So you do the same, 5, 7, 9, and 11. So the fx multiply 3 times 1 is 3, 4 times 2 is 12, 4 times 3 12, 4 times 5 20, 6 times 7 42, 3 times 2 times 9 18, and 1 times 11 is equals to 11. So to calculate our mean, you will say you get the summation of f. The summation of f is equals to 3 plus 4, which is 7 plus 4 11, plus 6 17, 19 plus 1 is equals to 20. And then summation of fx is equals to 3 plus 12 plus 20 plus 42 plus 18 plus 11. You'll get your answer as 106. So our mean is equals to 106 divided by 20. You'll get your answer as 5.3. You get your answer as 5.3. Get your answer as 5.3. 5.3. And then after that, you calculate your variance. Now we are still calculating on the standard deviation. So x, which is 1 minus 5.3, you will get negative 4.3. 3 minus 5.3, you get negative 2.3. And here you get negative 0.3, negative 1. Here you get 1.7, 3.7, and there we get 5.7. And then here you find the square root of negative 4.3, you get your answer as 18.49. 18.49. So 2.3 squared, you get your answer as 5.29. 0.09. Square root of 1.7 is equals to 2.89. And then square root of 3.7 is equals to 13.69. And then square root of 5.7, you get your answer as 32.49. And then you take f, which is 3, times 18.49, you get your answer as 55.47. 55.47. And then you take 4 times 5.29, you get your answer as 21.16. And then 4 times 0.09, you get your answer as 0.36. 0.36. And 6 times 8.29, 2.89, you get your answer as 17.34. Yeah, 2 times 13.69, that is equals to 27.38. 1 times 32.49 is equal to 32.49. Now, at this point, you get that your standard deviation is equal to summation of f in bracket x minus mean squared, which is equal to the summation of f x minus mean squared, and that equals to 154.2. So this one is 4.2, you do 5.47 plus 2.16 plus 0.36 plus 17.34 plus 27.38 plus 32.49, you get the answer as 154.2. So you come and say it's 154.2 divided by summation of f, which is 20 minus 1, you get your answer as 19. So here you get your answer as 8. You get your answer, remember find the square root, get your answer as 2.8488. 2.8488. So this one is the what? The standard deviation. And now the variance, question number Roman 2, variance is equal to standard deviation squared, which is equals to 2.8488 squared. Lambda is equals to what? 8.1 8.1158. And then number 3, we need to find the coefficient of variation. Coefficient of variation. Question number 3, you need to find the coefficient of variation. You say coefficient of variation is equal to standard deviation, equals to standard deviation over mean times 100. Mean is the standard mean, so you'll get your answer as 2.8488 divided by the mean, which is 5.3, times 100. You get your answer as 53.75. So these are the complete answers to the question number 1B of the Sir Jairus Revision series. Don't forget to follow for more tutorials and lessons from this channel. Thank you very much and be blessed.